Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen or infinite black screen issue in Slay the Spire 2 on PC. First, restart Steam. Open Steam, click on Steam, then select Exit. After that, launch Steam again and start the game. If the issue still persists, restart your computer once, and then launch the game again. If the problem continues, try adding a launch option. Open Steam, right-click on the game, select Properties, and under the General tab, go to Launch Options. Here type -rendering-driver open GL3. Now launch the game. If that does not work, remove the previous command and type -rendering-driver Vulkan. Then launch the game again. If it still doesn't work, clear the launch options. Next, try running the game as administrator. Go to the Game folder, right-click the game exe file, and select Run as administrator. Finally, verify the game files. In Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties. Open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. One of these steps should help fix the black screen issue. That's it. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel.